Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on updating your height and weight on Huawei Fit watches. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You do this on the Huawei Health app, so open up the app on your phone and tap Me in the bottom right corner. Then select Profile. Here you can tap height to change your height on the app. Tap OK to save your new height. You can tap weight to change your weight. Tap OK to save it. If you go back to the home page and tap Health at the bottom, you can also change your weight here by tapping Weight. Tap Add Record to add a new weight measurement. Use the slider to select your weight and then tap Done. If you tap History, you can see your weight input history. You can tap week, month, and year at the top to see your weight graph over time. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Huawei tips and tricks.